Hello everyone, welcome back to Falling for Chinese. I am Wang. In the last lesson, you learned how to introduce your name to others. In today's lesson, you will learn how to introduce someone you know to others. Let's listen to a conversation first.
这位是谁？
这位是我朋友，他叫王鹏。
你好，王鹏。我叫 David。
你好 ，David。
The question, 这位是谁? Meaning, who is this? This question is polite, appropriate for social settings. 这 means this. 位 is a polite and respectful major word used when referring to people. It's often used in introductions or formal settings. 是 is be verb. It can be is, am, or are. Let's say it together. 是 Again, 是 A common mistake is pronouncing it like the English word she, but that's not right. In English, I often sounds like e, but in Chinese, the I in 是 has a very different sound. It's I know, it sounds so different. 谁 means who or whom. It's a question word. You may have noticed that in the conversation, it's pronounced as 谁. However, you can pronounce it as 谁 or 谁 either way. 这位是谁? Who is this? It's polite, appropriate for social settings. Let's say it together. 这位是谁? Again, 这位是谁? How would you answer? Do you remember 你叫什么名字? What's your name? When people ask you, you simply replace 什么名字 with your own name to answer. That's an important pattern to remember. Where the question word appears is where your answer should go. Now, if I want to say, this is my friend, where would my friend go in the question so that we can replace it in the answer? Have a guess. So we just need to replace the question word 谁 with my friend. In Chinese, it's 我朋友. Friend in Chinese is 朋友. For 我, you may wonder, does it also mean my? Well, definitely not. We simply omit the function word 的 to change I or me into my. Why is that? Sometimes we are just allowed to be a bit lazy. Let's say the sentence together. 这位是我朋友. Again, 这位是我朋友. And then you introduce their name. 他叫 plus name, which means his or her name is ... In the conversation, 他叫王鹏, meaning his name is Wang Peng. Let's say it together. 他叫王鹏. Again, 他叫王鹏. The person radical 他 means he or him. The female radical 她 means she or her. You may have noticed that he and she sound the same in pronunciation, but are written differently. Let's listen to the conversation again.
这位是谁？
这位是我朋友，他叫王鹏。
你好，王鹏。我叫 David。
你好 David。
Now it's your turn. Can you try introducing one of your friends in Chinese? First, think of the name of your friend you want to introduce. Ready? Let's give it a go. 这位是谁？这位是我朋友，她叫 Vanessa. Now let's introduce your classmates or colleagues. Colleague is 同事 Classmate is 同学 Say them with me. 同事 Again, 同事 Next one, 同学 Again, 同学 Let's read the conversations together. 这位是谁？这位是我同事，他叫。这位是谁？这位是我同学，他叫。Let's listen to some more conversations.
这位是谁？
这位是我同事，他叫王爱。
你好，王爱，我叫丽丽。你好，丽丽。这位是谁？
这位是我同学，他叫亮亮。
你好，亮亮，我叫丽丽。你好，丽丽。
If you haven't learned how to introduce your name, click on the left video. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. In the next lesson, we'll look at the relevant characters used to introduce someone and use some interesting ways to remember them. See you next time. 再见。